It was a bright afternoon in Fruitville. Momo Mango, Gerry Grapes, and Toto Tomato were playing in the park.
Look, shadows are so long today. Maybe they're magic shadows.
Momo pushed a stick into the ground.
See, when the sun is high, shadows are short. When the sun is low, shadows grow long. Oh, so it's not magic. It's science. Well, it still feels like magic to me.
The friends decided to follow their shadows.
Wow. We found treasure. See? Our curiosity and learning helped us discover something new.
The friends realized that asking questions and exploring together can turn ordinary things into adventures.
Hi friends! With Momo Mango, learning is a go-go.